Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Caitlin, and today I am back with a different background. I'm on my bed filming this because why not? So today I'm coming to you guys with an inexpensive haul. So this haul is for e.l.f. Everybody knows e.l.f. They are the OGs of the makeup industry. That's like the first company that everybody starts off with when they're just getting into makeup. So I feel like people are still sleeping on e.l.f. So I love their products, especially their brushes. Their brushes are really nice. So the last sale that they had was their Black Friday sale, and they had a 60% off sale. So I already had been on their website and just adding stuff to my cart that I knew that I wanted to buy, but I didn't even remember that their Black Friday was coming up. So I had already put them into my cart, and I just saved them to my wish list because I know I wasn't gonna buy them right then, but I just put them in there. Then I saved them to my wish list so that eventually I'll go back. So Black Friday came around, I'm going through my emails, and I see an email from e.l.f. and they're like, oh, act now, we're having a 60% off sale. And I'm like, what? So I was like, okay, hold on, let me go back over there into my wish list and see what's really popping. You guys, when I go over there, everything was so cheap, and mind you, e.l.f. is already cheap. And they're having a 60% off sale, so you're getting all these products for pretty much little and nothing. So I was like, yep, I cannot let this sale miss me. I had to hop on it. So I did that. So my package just came in the mail today. Looks like this. And I'm just gonna open it up on camera with you guys. So let's get it. I bought a bunch of brushes, some face oil stuff, and stuff like that. Alright. So we're on the inside. There's more stuff. Y'all, there's so much pieces and parts to this stuff. So here we go. I got a lot of stuff, you guys. That's what it's looking like. Let's just go through all these things. So before I go through the brushes, I'm just gonna go through everything else that are not brushes that I wanted to get. To start off, I got a brow pencil. It is in deep brown. I just wanted to try it. It looks like this. Come on, focus. It just looks like this. Alright, so I just found the email on my phone, so I'm just gonna go through everything and I'm gonna tell you how much I got everything for. So the Instant Lift brow pencil is originally $2. Got it for 80 cents. I also got a baked highlighter. This is the Moonlight in Moonlight Pearls. The packaging looks like this. Let me take it out for you guys so you can see. I just wanted to I've had their highlighters before, but I wanted to retry it because it's been a while. Did this shit come out? It's been a while since I've had one, so I was like, why not? Let me give it a try again. Oh, Jesus. Alright, so it looks like this. So let me swatch it for you guys. There you go. So I really bought this because I do makeup on clients. I bought this for my lighter skin tone clients so I can put it on them. So that's that. So this one, I got this one for $1.60. It's originally $4. Next up, I got 2 of the lip plumping gloss. This lip gloss, you guys, is bomb. I already had one, and when I saw that they were on sale, I was like, alright, I gotta stack up on these. So the one that I had before literally just finished, and I've been like scraping at the bottle, and then I finally ordered 2 of these. So these are originally, okay, so I think they're $5 each, and because they're 60% off and I got 2 of them, the total was $4 for both, you guys. And this is in Champagne Glam. You guys, these lip glosses, I'm telling you, let me open it for you guys, just for you guys. And it's lip plumping, so it's gonna feel tingly on the lips. So it's just really pretty, sheer. It's just a really nice moisturizing lip gloss overall. Like, I really love it. Like, if you can't even see it on camera, but it's really pretty. So I got 2 of those. Then I also picked up their antioxidant booster drops. packaging looks like this. You guys, these packaging, no joke, they're pissing me off. Like, all I want to do is get in it, and I can't. I'm having to be struggling with these things. It's annoying as that. Retails for, it is originally $10 and I got it for $4. You guys. Alright, so next up is the hydrating coconut mist. I just got this just to try it out. It says lightweight mist hydrates skin and refreshes makeup. 2.7 fluid ounces, 80 milliliters. Box looks like this, and this retails for, it's originally $6 and I got it for $2.40. Looks like this. Let's try it out. So it has a really nice and soft mist. Let me try it out. It's supposed to smell like coconuts, but it don't smell like coconuts. I'm an islander, so I know what the hell coconuts smell like, and this don't smell like coconut. But it has a really nice mist on it. It doesn't smell horrible, but it don't smell like coconut to me. That's that, okay? Alright, so that's $2.40. So now it's on to the brushes. So I feel like all of their brushes are slept on by a lot of people. Everybody is in the hype right now, thinking that they have to go get Morphe brushes, matte brushes, and all these things that are completely overpriced. And all of my prior eyeshadow brushes, all of my prior eyeshadow brushes, they're like an accumulation over the years, and they're not expensive. They're like a combination of a lot of e.l.f. brushes. I've gotten a couple out of the BoxyCharm monthly subscription boxes. So I have a couple Real Techniques one that I got from Marshalls for really good price. So yeah, all my brushes are really inexpensive. So yeah, so I don't want to go out of my way. It's not that I can't afford Morphe brushes or matte brushes or anything like that. It's just that if I don't have to spend that money, I'm not going to. So if there's a cheaper alternative that works just as good, why not go with the cheaper alternative? You don't need to be spending all this money for no reason. So these are all the brushes right here. So let's go through them. So the first one I got was the Precision Featherlight Highlighting Brush. Looks like this. So this one is from their newest collection with the white hairs. I don't even know what this, I'm guessing it's the Beautifully Precise collection. And you guys, this brush is so cute. It looks like this, clear on the body. This looks so high-end, you guys, and let me tell you how much I got this for. So this one is originally $8 and I got it for $3.20. So that's that. So this is just for the highlight. It's, you know. I've always wanted to get something from that collection, but honestly, I go in the store and I'm like, this is a little expensive for one brush, and got it on Black Friday for $3.20, so you can't beat that. So yeah, so this is for highlighting. Super pretty, tapered, fluffy, really pretty. So the next brush I got was, I'm gonna go through all the face brushes first. Alright, so next up is the Flawless Face Brush. Looks like this, really sleek and cute. Let me get this out. Alright, so this is like a really pretty soft, you can see the shape of it, powder brush. You can just use this to, you know, blend your foundation, not your foundation. You can use it for liquid foundation, but mostly powders, because to me, I would use this for liquid foundation because it starts off dense and then gets a little bit fluffier on the ends. So for me, I would just use this to apply powder, remove the bake or something like that, because it's so soft and nice. So this one was $6 and I got it for $2.40. Alright, so the next one is the Ultimate Blending Brush. This is my current foundation brush. So I just got another one so I can switch it out. So this one, you can see, is way more shorter and very, very dense. Very dense. Let me compare it to the other one. So you see the difference between these two? This one's really fluffy and this one is more flat and dense. Kind of like a flat top kabuki brush, but not really. So this one, really good for foundation. Just stipple and buff. You will get the most full coverage out of any product you have, because I'm telling you, the denseness of these bristles will pack that foundation on and give you the maximum amount of coverage that you need or are looking for. And this is the ultimate blending brush. Use this on my clients, use this on myself, recommend this all around. I know that, I want to say there's another brush that Morphe has, I cannot remember the name, that is literally similar to this. And of course, the Morphe one is super expensive. And here is the e.l.f. one that's originally $6 and you can get it for $2, and I got it for $2.40 with their Black Friday sale. And e.l.f. is always having sales, you guys, so you can always go over there and check them out. So really good for that. And then the next brush is the Flawless Concealer Brush. I love this brush. I recently just started using it again to blend out my concealer, because I'm kind of getting out of using sponges, because with a brush you get more coverage out of the concealer versus using a sponge to blend it out. It takes away more of the product. So this is their Flawless Concealer Brush. Looks like that. It's really small. It kind of looks like a big fluffy eye blending brush, but nah, fits perfectly under the eyes. And yeah, so I got most of these brushes I already have, like half of them I already have, so I just got some to put into my kit for when I'm working with clients. And this one was $3 originally, and I got it for $1.20. So let's move on to the eye brushes. Oh, I have one more face brush. This is the pointed powder brush. This one goes for, it's originally $6 and I got it for $2.40. And it looks like this. And you guys, their brushes are so soft. So soft. So it looks like this. This reminds me of like a really nice contour brush. You can do it for that. And again, to get really close up under the eyes, it's really good for that. Really soft. I really, really love these brushes. Like, they're really good, you guys. Brushes. You guys, I thought I had gotten like a lot more eye brushes, but I guess I did not. I could have sworn I did. Oh well. So I have a flat eyeshadow brush. They're silicone. You know what? Let me go through them one by one. So this is just a regular flat eyeshadow brush. So what I got this for was because, as you guys can see, how thin it is, or how it's very rounded and thin. So let me tell you the price of this brush first. So this brush here is, it's $3. Got it for $1.20. So right now, going on Instagram, everybody's doing these really dramatic cut crease looks, and right now everybody's recommending either the Crown, it's like a 460 something brush, I do not remember. It's either that or the MAC 252 brush, which is a little bit bigger, but you can still get it as flat. Don't get me wrong, the Crown brush is really, really inexpensive, but the MAC 252 brush is, it's like $20 something for that one brush, and I'm like, I really want to, but I cannot. So I'm sticking with my budget, and I got this one. I already have a flat eye brush that I use, but I just wanted to get something else so that I can have more than one. So this is how this one looks, and with looking at this can get super flat, like super flat. It can do the job. So if you're looking for a flat brush to do your cut creases and all that good stuff, definitely check out the e.l.f. flat eyeshadow brush. You won't regret it. It's like, looking at it, it will do the job. It can definitely do the job. And I will come back if you guys want. Just leave a comment below if you want to see me use all these brushes. Definitely drop comment down below and I will get on top of that for you guys. Alright, so the next one is the Detail Crease Brush, and I've always wanted one of these smaller crease brushes for when you want to do some precision work, and it's so tiny and cute, you guys. It's literally a mini blending brush. So this is perfect for getting like right into the crease, like right in there. And this one was originally $3, got it for $1.60, and this is their Detail Crease Brush. Super cute. Then I saw that they had a silicone glitter applicator. So previously to whenever I do glitter eyes, I usually either use a brush to apply the glitter. 9 times out of 10, yeah, I rarely use my hand, my finger, but usually I use a brush. So I saw that they have a silicone glitter applicator, so I'm like, why not? Because you know when you use the brushes, the glue gets on it and it's just a mess to clean off. So I'm like, why not? So I decided to get this little bad boy. There you go. And it's shaped like a diamond. Perfect. It looks like it will fit perfectly. Yeah. And the last thing I got was literally just an eyebrow duo brush. The one I had originally from Anastasia is getting old and raggedy, so it's about time that one goes. So I'm replacing it with this one right here. This one is, of course, originally $3. Got it for $1.20. It's double-ended, just like the Anastasia one that I have. So on one side you have the angled eye brush, and on the other side you have the spoolie. Literally perfect for, you know, the eyebrows. Super simple. So yeah guys, that is literally it for my e.l.f. Cosmetics haul. If you guys have any questions, if you want to see anything, just drop a comment below and I will definitely follow up on that. I'm very sorry if this video is super long, but I really wanted to just show you all the products that I got from e.l.f. for only $31 and change after their Black Friday 60% off haul deal that they had going on, and I got 15 products, and it would have been way more than $31. So I saved a whole lot of money. I saved over, I want to say probably over $40. So you guys, do not sleep on e.l.f. Cosmetics, I'm telling you. So go over there, check them out, and hey, you won't regret it. You know what I'm saying? So thank you guys so much for clicking to watch my video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.